Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing. This is a new tea subscription. This is called Free Your Tea. I love it. It is customized. So mine is caffeine free, but you can get caffeinated. Just an FYI before we start out. I wrote everything down because it's new to me. So, all right, they're personalized tea. It's a personalized tea subscription. It's free shipping within the U.S. Every month you'll get 2 teas, or you'll get 6 teas if you subscribe quarterly. So they do have a quarterly option, which is really cool. In each monthly box, you'll get 2 ounces of tea, and that's $25. However, you'll get a first shipment, which includes 5 samples, and then you'll get your monthly box. The quarterly package is $23. No. Wait, is it? Oh, it's $23 monthly for the quarterly box. Does that make sense? So that would be $66. There you go. But you'd get 6 2-ounce teas. Make sense? Ish, right? Okay. Anyway. Now, I am going to link down below to Free Your Tea with my affiliate link. I will also link to my full review on my blog, where we're going to go in depth. I do love caffeine-free teas. I like that I can drink them whenever I want. I don't have to worry about being able to fall asleep. I'm old. I need to sleep at night. All right. Ooh, I ripped the bag a lot. All right. So in here we have, so this would be your first sample. So there are 5 small things of tea. These each have 5 ounces in them. And then you get, I think, 50 of these disposable tea bags, which is really cool. I love having these. These are all loose leaf, FYI. So welcome to Free Your Tea. We look forward to discovering, delivering teas tailored to your taste. Open to learn more about how to get the most out of your personalized tea subscription. How to get the most, your subscription in 5 steps. You get your initial sampler. Is designed to get you to taste some fairly different teas and rate them at freeyourtea.com/ratings. We ask that you share your general tea preferences at freeyourtea.com/preferences so that we can combine it with your ratings to start tailoring teas to your taste. Your monthly or quarterly tea shipments are tailored to your taste based on your ratings and preferences. Keep your ratings going, obviously, and they can continue to refine your thing. And they combine all of your data on subscriber tea preferences and ratings, enables us to personalize your subscription to help you discover the teas you are most likely to love. So yeah, there's that. I like that. And then there's steeping advice on the back. So they go through everything. I really like that. All right, let's see what I received. No, that didn't work, did it? Sorry. It was a dad joke, but all right, first up we have, ooh, this is the hibiscus number 2. So hibiscus, anytime you have this, I did say these are 2 ounce, right? All of them are. Is going to be brightly colored. It's going to have a tart, tangy flavor. Popular all over the world, hibiscus teas are enjoyed hot and cold on their own and in a variety of blends. This one is all hibiscus and absolutely lovely. So there's that. It's just hibiscus. And it obviously is caffeine free, and it does give you some steeping instructions. So there's that. I love hibiscus tea. I actually like adding stuff to it. It's one of the only teas that you can kind of manipulate. The flavor isn't so strong that you can't kind of add things to it. You see what I'm saying? It's not overpowering. So then there's chamomile number 2. And this is just chamomile. And just the thought of a nice warm cup of chamomile can have a calming effect. These beautiful dried flowers, especially combined with a little honey, can make a cup of pure bliss. So there's that. Next up we have chocolate mint rooibos. Chocolate and mint is a famously good combination here, made even better by rooibos. There being no caffeine, this one can be enjoyed all night. Ooh, so this includes rooibos, peppermint, dark chocolate flavor, and calendula. So it's gonna have a little bit of yellow flecks in it. It's a very pretty, I love a little pop of floral. You guys know I love me some floral teas. So then we have some green rooibos. Most tea drinkers are familiar with regular red rooibos by now, but this non-oxidized green rooibos is completely different. It is both a little grassier and a little milder. Ooh, that sounds exciting. I don't think I've ever tried it. There's that. All right, our final one. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. Lemon verbena. So this contains just lemon verbena. I actually grew lemon verbena. I actually grew chamomile as well, but I wasn't very good about drying it out or picking it or watching it. Yeah, I wasn't very good at it. With this lovely Latin name, Aloysia citradora, the South American shrub has a strong lemon flavor and is wonderfully refreshing caffeine-free tea. So there you have it, my 5 sample teas, lemon verbena, green rooibos, chocolate mint rooibos, which sounds like super lovely, chamomile, and hibiscus. I will link down below too for your tea, like I said, and also to my full review if you're interested in checking that out. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.